Hey all, welcome back to SLB Basement Bourbon Bar. I am Kurt Ludington, your resident host and bartender. Today is another episode of 2 Minute Tuesdays where we mix low ingredient cocktails in 2 minutes or less. Today we're going to tackle Tommy's Margarita. This is a low ingredient margarita that comes out fantastic. We're going to start out with a half ounce of agave nectar, just a half ounce. We're going to follow that up with 1 full ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice. Lastly, we're going to put in our spirit. We have 100% agave, tequila, 2 full ounces. And that's all the ingredients in the Tommy's Margarita. We're going to get some ice in the tin and shake it up. For this particular cocktail, super simple. I got a double rocks glass, shake and dump. Can't get any easier than that. I have a small wedge of lime. We just set that right on top of the glass, and there you have it, Tommy's Margarita. Fantastic. That's an excellent margarita mixed up with minimum ingredients. Thank you for watching today. Please like and subscribe. See ya.